watermelon. I said never. Never. I said never. And I've not tried. Do you know zilioza in like a span when they're ready? A span of 3-4 days, mvua ikanyesha. Tukaenda kuvuna, 90% was gone. 90% was gone, rotten. I said,
never. Hata kama utavuna na kiangazi utaki.
Wacha tu. Hiyo character development nilipata.
Sasa anaelewa trauma yangu na cabbage. Yeah, mimi na cabbage same. Same. Hey, but it's a pleasure to be here. Uko na mbegu pia uko na young seedlings over there.
We have that.
Okay.
So at the end we're actually going to have about 5 acres.
Oh, nice.
Of onions.
Hey, sure. Wait. This one now, interestingly enough, I also have seedlings at this stage.
At that stage.
Yes.
Then we'll really work together this time.
So that one is for 5 acres. And then the other one is for 3.
Okay.
So hapo tutakuwa pamoja. Hapo kuvuna tuko pamoja. Kula mzuri wanataka kuja kuchangamka hapa, si ndio?
Hapa ni kula mzuri tayari.
Hapa lazima tuvune kitu.
Lazima tuvune kitu.
Correct.
Kabisa.
Sawa.
20 tons per acre.
20 tons per acre.
Yes.
Where can they find you?
We are located in Kitengela, Kajiado County.
Correct.
This is near Kisaju.
Yes.
Yes, at a place called Hawa. Yes.
Nice. Social media pale?
Limitless Fresh Farm.
Yes. On all handles.
On all handles. We're just Limitless Fresh Farm. Ukiangalia tu Limitless Fresh Farm, utatuona hapo.
Kweli hapa mambo ni limitless. I'm very happy as you can see. Tumekuwa hapa, we have learned. Very generous with information. We've not even been here long. Lakini tumeambiwa mambo mengi sana. Inaisha. Space